Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips with the tulip tribe. Today, talking about fragile spring flowers. Sometimes their stems are so soft that it's hard to get them into floral foam. The pro tip, as you're working, give it a fresh cut, then using an ice pick. Pre-drill a small hole and then place the stem. You can do that technique with any bloom that has a fragile stem. Muscari is great, allium, daffodils, even ranunculus. Sometimes they're a little bit soft. Giving it a cut, placing it, and you're good to go. Extra tip for safety, always keep a cork on your pick. That way no one gets hurt. Now you know the pro technique for fragile spring blossoms.